Is there any 4 ones or?
Get hacked.
Boy, it's not here right now.
It's the boots.
Okay.
Get hacked.
Wait, how do you do this? What's?
Get hacked.
Oh, okay. Dude, my pink slimes keep trying to reproduce with my
Okay.
pink slime.
Get out.
Wait for me. Why is there low gravity?
Wait,
What?
hold on. Okay,
Get in,
someone-
just get in the car, get in the car.
Go.
Go. It's okay. It's
Don't
okay.
go. Don't go too fast. Don't go too fast.
Why is it jiggling?
Hold
I
W.
don't know.
Don't go over 20.
Why am I on
don't
the
don't
very
go
back?
don't go
Okay,
over 15. Do not
Blade, your seat looks very unsafe. Guys,
Whoa,
Daddy, stop it.
exactly.
Hey, wait.
That's a disaster. Oh, she's
Here,
leaving.
go.
Go! I have to start the generator. Don't go! Don't!
You don't see that? You don't see his...
I survived somehow. I survived.
Can we get this dude off? The guy.
No,
in the
stop,
back.
stop. Brakes!
You guys don't see this? You guys don't
Do
see
what?
this?
Yeah.
Ooh.
There's no
Where
car
are
in
those
this.
slimes at?
By the way, you don't have to hold
Yeah.
W. It will just stay at the speed that you let it stay at.
Oh,
It's okay. Just go.
just go.
Let's go! What are you guys doing?
It's broken.
Wait, we need to just like.
I'm not here. Wait, race
I'm
car?
gonna go Gen. I'm doing Gen. So. Blade, where'd you go?
We have
Blade!
to break this. We have to break this.
No, we
have
have.
to break
Yeah,
this.
we have to break that.
Okay, go.
Go.
I can't. Oh,
Whoa.
why
It's
is?
okay.
Oh, there we go. Why is it not letting me
Oh
go?
my
I'm
god.
I'm
Why is
holding
it wobbling?
W. There we
Yeah,
go.
bitch. Oh, never mind.
Let's go. Chugga, chug.
I feel
I'm
bad for
actually
Epic.
gonna
I feel like he's gonna be the first to die.
You guys see the loop up ahead?
Very important wall. Please don't shoot.
Hey, how is the loop gonna work?
Wait, I'm gonna shoot it.
I'll join you guys.
Oh, why is the
Ew.
tires on fire?
I turned off the generator.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, you did something to it.
Going
Why is what happened?
Spooky Riley.
Hey, don't let
Are you
that
turning off the generator?
I didn't mean to.
Stop. I
Dude,
think we're stuck.
Turn it on. Turn the okay.
We have a new companion. Her name is Spooky Riley. I don't know how the hell she got in a vehicle, but it be, yeah.
What were you gonna say?
Spooky Riley. It's not even Halloween.
Get for that loop.
It's not even
Almost
October. I mean, yeah, almost, but it's like September
It's
still.
going. Oh, the truck! Oh my gosh, someone just died. Oh no.
It's pretty wobbly.
We really are carbureting around nothing. This feels very, very unsafe.
I'm not going above 15 or
Also, I have a gun.
Go
No,
back.
don't shoot, don't shoot. That's the real reason. Wait, why is it smoky? Why is the generator smoky?
It's supposed to.
But it does.
Oh, really? Oh.
Diggy.
I have no clue.
When we get to police speed, what is that?
Police? No, it's
Police
fine. I can
speed.
shoot the police.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go.
You'll be first to die.
It's fine. A gun though. Wait, there's a car ahead. Look.
This is police speed, guys.
Police speed.
I don't like it how it's like
Yeah, it's like
tilted.
curved.
It's like curved, yeah.
This game.
Oh god, I went a little too fast there and everyone was freaking wobbled off.
Nothing.
No! It feels like
This
a
is gonna be the
roller
first to
coaster.
die because the generator.
Like a wobbly
You
roller
decided the
coaster.
generator.
Yeah.
Ah, what the fuck happened? Oh no!
Everyone jump!
Ah!
Hey, no, don't. Why are you pushing me?
Generator.
Separate smaller cards, because there's 6.
Adios.
Actually, this is
Adios,
going by
amigos.
itself, so
We're
we
just
have enough
walking
people.
Jump over there! It's gonna
Hey.
explode!
Guys, stop! Wait, guys, let's reset. Guys, let's reset. Let's do it. Guys, reset.
We're just we're just.
Wait, there's a car thing here.
Oh yeah, there is.
There's a
No,
car.
I want to see what they're
Movie
doing.
cart.
Danny, watch out!
Oh shit.
What?
Why is
Wait,
the
run,
gravity in
run,
this
run,
game so-
run.
Oh no! Okay. He died!
Just
He
reset,
died!
Guys, let's
Wait.
reset.
Oh wait.
wait.
Oh
Oh!
wait, Spawn.
Spawn. Oh shoot. Spawn.
Yeah. Oh,
That's
he's
wrong side. Go forward, go forward.
Go
I
forward a
can't-
little bit. No!
No! Okay, just wait.
Guys, come back down for us.
Wait, this car has a gun. This car has a gun.
Don't shoot
Guys,
it.
come back down for us. Wait, Blade, shoot it. Blade, shoot it so you guys can go down.
Don't.
Let's go.
Wait,
Start the gen.
Oh.
No, get in, Blade.
I have
Let's
a gun.
go.
Don't go too fast. Don't go above 15. If you go above 15, you're dead.
Oh really? I'm above 15.
It's okay. This is gonna
I don't know where this is.
Oh, he's
He's
like
up
at
there.
the the play. He's
You-
like he's
Yeah.
right there. We just pick him up.
No, I don't. Oh,
We can't pick him up. There's no more seats.
It cost me an arm and a leg to get here.
I think just stay constantly at 15.
So, Vickle, how's your day
I'll do
going?
without using a
I feel
car
bad
or
for
a
Dookie
lava
again.
track.
Whoa, I hate those little pumps.
I'm going really low.
It feels like one of those, like,
It'd be so funny if I clicked
trains
right
at, like, theme parks.
Yeah, it'd be
like,
so
goes
funny.
around.
The whole thing explodes and we all die.
Feels like
It'd be
one
so
of those,
funny.
like, trains at, like, the theme parks that, like,
Wait,
goes
guys, I
around
think
the
if you go for
Alright.
too long, it actually explodes. So when we get to the
Oh,
top
really?
of this, I'm gonna turn it off and then turn it back on.
It overheats.
Yeah, 'cause
It's like my computer. It overheats.
Yeah, look,
It
it's like it's getting
explodes.
blacker.
Going
Like the
up.
smoke's getting more like thicker and blacker.
I'm going
Would it be
up.
so funny if I clicked right now?
Yeah, it'd be so funny if.
Okay, wait, Danny,
this
Danny,
whole
stop
thing
it. I'm gonna
overheats.
like turn it off real
And it
quick.
stops.
If I click M1, we lose.
Yeah, I'm just gonna turn it off for like 5 seconds and then turn it back on.
I'm looking at Blade. Every time you say no Blade, stop it.
Look at the jiggle.
Oh,
Look at this
it's
vehicle jiggle.
My money don't jiggle jiggle. It folds.
Chicky means that I love you.
I lagged right there.
It lags a lot.
Wait, if I do this, it lags. Look, I can
Wait,
No,
lag.
stop!
No, don't.
Wait,
It's only we our car got stuck.
no, if we ever need a sudden stop, I can just like pause.
Come on, this is where we
Wait,
done
no,
last
stop,
time.
stop, stop! It's cause it's going over stuff. Okay.
If we're about to die, I can just like.
We made it. Speed up a bit, Danny.
Okay, I don't think it overheats actually.
We made it.
Slow down
Oh,
again
Danny.
though.
What is that guy doing? He's gonna
Oh,
sabotage
this guy's
us.
gonna.
Uh oh,
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
I'm stopping.
I know he's good, he's
It
good.
says max speed is 10!
You absolute buffoon.
Dorothy Humps.
Dorothy.
You absolute buffoon.
Speed limit 10. Okay, keep it at 10.
Speed this.
Danny,
Yes.
Danny,
Go,
speed.
go,
I'm
run,
gonna
run,
win.
run.
The police.
Oh, I missed.
It's the po-po wheel.
Stop!
Bro. Okay, we're good. Hey, slow down.
Ah!
Slow.
No!
No.
Ah!
I paused the cart. I can pause.
Dude ruined it.
Sit your butt down, Vickle. I swear, Vickle, we will leave without
Oh,
you.
it stinks in there.
Hi, Vickle.
Why is she so short?
Oh god,
Yeah,
the
because
wheel
her
fell off.
legs are fucking exploded.
It's like
She died
watermelon.
from an
Look at
she
Vickle's,
died
like,
from an
legs.
explosive attack. Her legs.
I got a checkpoint.
Guys, behind us.
No.
No, I got a checkpoint.
No.
Go! This woman's gonna hit
Go.
him.
Wait. I'm gonna sabotage her.
Danny, what?
Go.
Danny, can I have one? Come on, let's go.
Whoa!
I'm too fat.
You're too fat.
Hey, which one are you
Yeah.
gonna go on? Are we actually gonna...
There's a bomb.
Danny's gonna go.
Sue the governor of New Mexico.
Okay.
This is getting later.
We know! Danny's. Oh, I thought he was disconnected.
do you mean in general?
Okay, guys.
Here, I'll get rid of it. I'll get rid of the two-seater. There you go. Oh. Wait, run, dude.
Five. Oh.
Yeah, come on, 5 people. I got passenger. Wait, let Vickle drive. Oh, I wanna.
Oh, it turned off.
Come on, original trio on the.
No, get off!
Oh my god. Okay, actually, let's actually try. Vickle can drive. Okay, never mind.
Vickle can drive.
Let's get rid of this one real quick.
Let's get rid of it. We have to all get on. We have to all make sure we can get on.
I'll get rid of this one.
Danny, go!
Okay, sit on this one. This one's safe.
Doogie's just leaving without us. Bye, Doogie.
Okay, someone drive.
Okay, actually.
Bye. Vickle, Danny, I want pass.
I'm gonna do that.
Bro, wait. I gotta kill this dude. There, go.
Oh, go,
He's gonna
go.
shoot us.
I'm trying.
Bro, he's gonna try to shoot
I
us.
swear to God, Doogie, if you miss this up.
Sit down, Doogie.
Oh, we're
Yeah.
good. Dude, this guy's gonna shoot us. He's
Dude,
shooting
he's
us.
gonna shoot me. He's gonna
Why is
shoot
he
me.
going so fast?
Just go.
Get out.
Just go.
Vickle, let me drive.
Just go. I don't care.
It's just...
Wait, don't go too fast. Stay like at 15.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, there's a bit of a mayhem in the
guys!
car. It's okay. We'll ride over it.
Wait, no, I can blow it up.
Wait, no, back up!
Hey, what?
Why are we going backwards?
I can blow. Okay. No,
Vickle,
I
get out. Let me
blow it
drive,
up
Vickle.
properly.
Let me drive.
Oh!
Ah,
Oh,
Danny.
Vickle, let me drive. Vickle, let me drive.
Wait, after we die, because I actually haven't been able to make it over this part.
Oh yeah, I haven't either.
Okay, let's go.
What
Come
do you
on,
mean you
Vickle,
did it?
hurry.
You made it all the way up there.
No, I haven't drove.
Driven.
I hate these XL carts.
Yeah, me too.
No, I drive
we have
next
to do it.
time.
We have to use them
I
now.
drive next
So many
time.
people join us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Blaze.
We can use separate carts. That's more easy. Okay, Billy, you know what to do, right?
Yeah, stop the thing.
Oh, look, this is
Denny,
jiggly.
sit down. Sit down, Denny.
Okay, hold on, wait for the bomb, Wait for the bomb.
Guys! Guys! That freaking.
Wait for the bomb. Wait, that guy's gonna get exploded.
Wait.
Hold on, there's another one.
Shit.
Maybe we can fix it. Oh wait, it kind of fixed a little bit. Oh,
Hey, bro, I blew up.
How do I live? How is that?
The best.
Just get on this car.
Wait for me, I died.
Adios.
Wait.
Wait. Oh.
No.
Wait for me.
I'm going in. I'm
I'm
going in.
going in.
Wait for me.
Woo.
Ah!
What happened? Did you die?
Watch us fall.
Oh, we're in
to
some tunnel right now.
Watch us
I'm in the
fall
tunnel,
to the
I'm in the
floor.
tunnel.
They're all behind us, Danny. It's kind of creepy. It's like we're getting chased.
Ah!
It's like a horde is chasing us. Oh, shh, Danny, over here.
Wait for me.
There's nothing here. Are you serious?
It's a door.
Okay.
No, there's something here.
It's
There's
a
something
door,
here.
but
It's
we
like a really
we
long.
need the train.
Bruh,
How fast
bruh.
does this go?
Go. Wait, actually,
We
just
have
step on
the
the gas.
we have the
Step-
cool people car.
Wait,
Oh
I'll-
shit!
I'll save you guys.
Why are you so sad?
Oh,
Okay.
thank you. Thanks.
Wait, Danny, I can make it. I'll go through the other way. Or someone.
Oh wait, Doogie.
I hate these XL carts, dude.
No, get it back in the generator. Get back in the generator. Yeah. Oh
blow
my
it up.
god.
Generator.
I almost freaking knocked it over. Oh
This
shit!
car is so
Okay,
much.
Wait, Vickle. We'll take this car.
Jumped on my head. Danny,
Oh,
why'd
guys,
you
look
jump on my
at
fucking
those
head?
things.
Doogie, just run. Wait, Vickle, stop the car.
Look behind us. They're
Thank you.
all over there.
Let's go.
I just
Wait, I can
riding
shoot
the
at them.
normal carts. Shoot them,
Wait,
shoot
look, we
them,
can shoot at them.
shoot
No,
them,
I
shoot
swear to God. You
Danny,
missed.
you're going too fast! You're going too fast! Oh, I lived. I can go.
Why are there so many explosions?
That was me.
So they could do the generator.
Why are there so many explosions with the XL cards?
Use them and shoot them. Snipe him.
I like going with the Vickle. She goes nice and slow.
Shoot them! Shoot them in retaliation! Get out and shoot them in retaliation!
Oh no!
Jump out. Jump!
I can't.
What did we do to you? I literally. Why would you do this? I like cleared the path for you guys, and you guys are doing this to us.
That's sad.
Wait, can you guys at least like blow up your cart? So can you guys blow up your cart? So
Let's hop on Danny's. Let's hop on Danny's blades. Let's hop on Danny's.
Wait, blow it up at least.
Okay, I will. I have no ammo. I'm reloading.
Reloading.
I'm reloading. Wait.
Ness just exploded into 1,000 pieces.
Ignore that I did that. I can't. I'm out of ammo.
Dude,
Wait.
these cards are so fragile.
Exactly.
God.
I'm out of ammo. Wait. Okay.
They were designed.
I missed.
Did you miss the
Okay,
cart?
someone shoot it. Someone shoot it. Someone shoot it.
Oh, I have a fucking gun.
Wait, what the
Okay.
fuck?
Oh,
Epic's
they have
glitching the
press-
fuck out.
Press D to shoot. Press D to shoot.
Okay. Epic, stop.
Epic, get off! Epic, you're gonna ruin. Oh my god. Epic!
I went too
saw
fast.
that.
I went too fast.
You actually have to have the cart, because if you go the other way, you're just gonna hit a giant ramp and die.
I went too fast. Wait, hold on.
Unless you want to
It's
walk
just-
all the way.
I just went to someone else drives.
Fuck you, you fucking dick.
What?
Tickle, go a little bit faster.
Someone's driving
No,
my
no,
way.
don't go
You
fast
guys.
anymore. This is too fast.
Okay, this is fast enough, right? Okay, I'll go slower. I'll go slower.
Slower. A bit slower.
Yeah, yeah.
For some reason, the
Just
cards
tiny
just have
bit
a
slower.
very, very rare chance to explode on by themselves. I don't know why they added that.
Turn the thing on.
Okay, so.
What is that? So,
I see Danny
I'm
all the way over
running.
there.
there's cars.
I think you have to like avoid them.
Wait, I'm
Watch
gonna
out,
shoot
this is
at
where he
them.
freaking blew up last time.
Son Goodman.
Hi guys.
Can't get on them though, sadly.
Hey guys, you're going a little bit slow, you know.
Ah! Go faster!
Yeah, go fast, go fast.
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh god!
Exclamation mark.
Go,
11.
go, 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 go! Oh no! Oh no! We stop! You're
Bro,
gonna
this thing is
crash
so
it. You're gonna
inaccurate.
crash into us. And then...
Go, 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 go. Quick. Go, go, go.
Go to like 15. Stay at 15.
I'm at 18.
Or actually, let them go in front of us. That's a better idea.
Shoot him. Shoot him. No. Yes.
Just shut them.
on! We're trying to freaking make it. You just keep killing us.
Okay.
This is race start.
My car is still going
Wait, Danny,
strong.
getting hours. Danny, getting hours.
I'll drive, I'll drive.
Okay.
You guys can go first.
Please do not ram right into us.
Don't worry, I don't.
Stop. Stop. Ah. Okay. Oh no. Stop. Stop. Stop.
You can't even beat the game. It's just.
I can snipe them. Look.
Okay,
Let's go, just go, just go, just go.
Wow, that wall is really important. It's blocking me from sniping you.
There goes Danny.
Oh.
We know. Danny's gone. He's gone.
He
His
died.
power went out.
Goodbye, sweet Danny.
Bye, Danny.
The thing is that I don't think he has cellular data. If he did,
Bro, this.
Wait, no,
Why is
cellular
it like
data.
curved like this?
Let's
This is so
hope he
terrible.
survives the hurricane. He probably will. It's not gonna.
I think he will.
Snipe. Yes. Go.
Come
Die.
on, man. I survived the hurricane. There's my number.
Go. Watch out.
I don't know if it was us or those guys. Wait, snipe him, snipe him, snipe him, snipe him.
By the way, you didn't even hit us. The other guy did behind you, and he's gonna try and hit you now.
Yeah, but like one of our shots like landed.
This thing, so like.
Just go fast. Let's go faster. Nothing happens.
No, there's a cop that shoots you.
Oh. Oh yeah.
What? What
Happy
land?
land. Happy land. Happy land.
Just well.
Goodbye, Vickle. We're gonna play Happy Land.
Really that fine. We're dead.
We just walk. Let's just walk. Let's just walk.
Okay.
Fine. It's a bit wobbly, but it's fine.
Or you can just walk in the middle.
Yo, Happy Land is so fun, bro.
What is Happy Land?
Oh god,
I have no
fuck.
fucking
God.
clue.
My phone!
You guys want to play Up
My
Here
phone's
Phobia?
sideways.
I don't think you have time for that, dude.
Oh yeah.
It's like an hour.
Do you wanna-
to finish it?
Do you want to
Bro,
play a
he
little
said
bit at
15
least?
He said 15 minutes earlier. It's been like an hour.
True.
Yeah, exactly. I don't know. I don't know.
I
Play Up
think
Here Phobia.
Vickle,
Do you
there
guys
may
want
be
to
a
join
little
me?
bit of something in the way.
I can explode it. Don't worry.
Do you guys want to join me though? At least.
Yeah.
Wait, there's like a bunch of cars over there. What is that?
You're supposed to dodge them when you get to them with the car.
Wait, where are we supposed to go?
Over that way, I think. Then we go.
Guys,
Go up that.
Blow instead.
I'm gonna create the server. I'm gonna create a room.
I mean,
Oh shit! Only 4 of us can play. Never mind.
And
Wow.
what?
it's fine.
Up Here Phobia. We can't. This is only for just like 5 of us.
Phobia.
There's
I'm
6.
not gonna play. Well, actually,
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I
that's-
guess Nest doesn't count because it's probably not gonna join.
Yeah.
Doogie. Stop. I'm gonna try exploding it.
Okay, what do you guys want to play then? Besides Up Here.
Deep Vulcan.
I mean, I don't know about D-Wogan. Like, what if
Decaying
like?
Vulcan.
guys.
Oh yeah, we can play Decaying Winter.
Decaying
Guys,
Vulcan.
but I don't wanna play
yeah.
Decaying
Guys,
We gotta play something that we all want to play.
Guys, how about we play Build
Decaying
a Boat?
Vulcan.
Oh yeah, what about Bo? What about Bo? We haven't played that in a while.
Guys, let's play Build a
Build a
Boat.